You're driving on the other side of the road. Have you ever done that before?
You're driving on the other side of the car. You got it for me, yeah?
Nah, man. You download the app. I told you this.
I know it, man. It's long.
Yeah. Then you go into that self-checkout and you wait for all of that machine in Palava.
Yeah. Yes. Yes.
The video, yeah.
Do it.
We got videos. Yeah.
Next up, America. And you got the whole aisle to yourself. Cheese.
I got mine too.
Cheese. And then
You're sitting in the wrong seat there, mate. You're sitting in the wrong seat.
That's not
who are you?
You're stealing.
I know you guys. So after a long 10-hour flight, we finally made it, boys. We in the States. Not sure what this is, but apparently it's the real deal. We are finally in Orlando or Florida. I don't know, man. The rental.
For the crew. I met that gal back in October. Then I gave her the cucumber. I give you everything you.
Are you sure? Is the door closed, yeah?
Yeah.
Is it closed?
Yeah.
Try not to stop, like Hannibal Lecter, yeah.
Lecter?
Lecter, yeah.
Like Hannibal.
That's your real name? No, what's your real name?
Birthday, bro.
Happy birthday, man.
Only 2 months. Oh. Right, we're getting ready for the road trip. Let's go.
Okay, so basically, Lecter, there's a laser here. Yeah, you have to jump over that laser.
Oh yeah. Jeez. All right, we ready. We ready. Quick trip to Walmart. Here you got your Lucky Charms, jerky, Cheetos, Reese's. It's mad, man. It's going off. It's going off. What's the rules, Ken, for the car journey?
We just got a basic one in it. Like, you're gonna let one go. Talking to you, man. You're gonna let one go. Yeah, just drop the window first, then let it go. Like, it's a long journey, I get it. Just don't let one go and then wait like.
Oh, what if it's?
And then 20 seconds be like, oh, someone else has to drop the fucking window.
No,
Don't do that.
Say for example, you fart, but you don't wish to disclose it.
Yeah, but then you're just scum, bro. Like, everyone, like, it's a long trip. No one's gonna judge you, man.
So we do this on good ethical behaviour.
Yeah, basically, just allow it. These guys will just know exactly what.
Dude, it's wipes. Dude, wipes.
Stuff. Man, shopping don't come cheap, guys. So we was in there for so long, guys. It's morning.
Got my iced cappuccino. Yes, glorious day, guys.
He went from American to English to American. I don't know what accent that was, but he's trying though. He's trying though.
Oh, why is the car come this way?
Huh? What? You got a 7-hour drive. It's looking a bit mad, but we'll be alright. Oh, should be good.
Where you going?
Yeah, we should be alright. 10 plus hours of driving, we've made it to our dinner.
Oh, I'm going to run today. Oh, you guys were about that. Athletes, bro. Training. I think you can big jump out.
So we're trying to find a bloody car spot, but it's not looking very good.
Go around. Listen, I've been shouting at him the whole day, telling him not to speed. He's not going to listen to you in a car park, bro. Been telling him fucking not to speed the whole day, and he's gonna miss something.
Finally made it to the apartment after a 10-hour journey. We're already right into the action. Yes, yes. Busy watching.
Cheers.
We're on live. Oh, just as we got that, Kingston's out. If I could just unlock this. This is the balcony. Crazy view over here, but not really much going on here. This is the master bedroom, and fuck me, it's huge. Absolutely huge. Bathroom. Lovely mirror. Kitchen. Nice island here. 2 single beds in here. And we got a bathroom. The bathroom's really good as well. Very clean. But yeah, we're just gonna chill here for a bit. Alright, it is approximately 9:30 AM over here. So in England it'd probably be about, I don't know, 1, 2. This is our balcony, we're on the top floor. Doesn't start off great really here. I think they're still making that. Yeah, I think they are. But over here, that's where you got the action. It doesn't even look like all that, but at night time, I promise you, it does look good. Yeah, it literally looks like they're still making the bloody state. Bank of America Stadium, and you got a tourist over there. So it turns out there's no tours today, which is a bit of a shame. We're getting some grilled sandwich. After walking for about 40 minutes, I think we're here. Gonna be eating at Optimus Hall or something like that.
Optimus Prime.
Optimus Prime, I think it is. Whatever. Oh wait, it says Hall, never mind. Lex, where's your food?
This is here.
Oh, right.
I think his food's getting cold as well.
Nice pizza. Not for me, I'm stuffed, but and then. Oh, without hesitation. We are at Charlotte Knights Baseball Stadium. It's not the biggest, still pretty cool though. It's time to shop till we bleed, boys. Let's do this.
Kevin, these are genuine stuff here. They're no fake shit like your Balenciaga.
Are you still gonna get that Gucci belt, Kevin?
I look like the sort of person that rock a Gucci belt.
Don't touch your feet until recording is finished.
Oh, I can smell that meat. Oh.
That just makes it worse. You're more in the
He
frame.
just looks upset. Come on, man. Hey, yo!
Yeah, you still should not keep that.
No, it's cold.
It's calm, man.